Do you know that you can become a CapCut creator and earn a lot of rewards and gifts? And there is an important thing I'm gonna show you in this video. I went to Google and asked Google, what are the benefits of becoming a CapCut creator? And let me see. Here I open in the new tab. Well, congratulations, if you are a TikToker, then you can get the boost on your videos. The other option is here. Become our most trusted confidants. Alright. Okay, you can get a swag for exclusive partnership, but most important thing I'm gonna show you is this one. You'll gain the access to the entire suite of CapCut Pro features for free. And if I show you my CapCut Pro features, there are a lot of different features. You will definitely enjoy these features because they are cool, awesome, drag and drop everything to your timeline, and this is stunning, beautiful. If you didn't watch my videos about getting CapCut Pro completely for free and becoming a creator, then you should watch in the end screen of this video. Well, to be honest, you need to be on Pro features to access these websites, and if you're not on Pro, you can still access, maybe you can try. But I'm on the Pro features already, so I can access these things. I will bring you to the mobile phone screen and show you how you can apply as a CapCut creator and become the partner with CapCut. Alright, I'm here on my mobile phone screen, and now I'm gonna show you CapCut here. And remember, you must be having an American store. I'm gonna skip this ad. Once you log in with the same ID, if you are having a Pro account or a normal account, that doesn't matter. So once you log in here, you go to me option, and here you can log in with your account. And I'm logged in with the same account on my MacBook. And there are a lot of videos on my channel about getting CapCut Pro. If this option is not available, then you must be having an American store. Remember that. And you need to go to templates. Here, there is a slide at the top. This slide doesn't appear in your CapCut because you might have, different options there, and you might not sign in here. Before I go further into the details, you can just go to CapCut option here and see the version. Like mine is go to setting, and this one I'm using, the latest one is 10.5.0. This is the version. Go to templates, and here this slide will appear. If it doesn't appear, then you need to go to me option, and here is top right corner there is a question mark. You go to this question mark, then the chat will appear. Here you can read all about this one, and these are options, editing, templates, and basically you can create templates after signing in as a creator, and you will get a lot of other stuff as well, and most importantly CapCut Pro for free. You can go to the bottom right corner, and here is online support. If that template slide doesn't appear there, you can chat with the members or team there with the CapCut. Here you can send them a message, say hello or something, because I already got, so I'm not gonna bother them again. So here you can talk to them and ask them to provide about your CapCut creator link. If that is not in the template, then you also check inbox, and it will be in the inbox as well, because as they told me, you can check. I talked to them for more than 20 minutes today. Go to templates. Here you need to slide. It is written here, this banner, this template, become a CapCut template creator. You need to click on this option. After landing to this template, you need to scroll down and read all this information. Now click on apply now. Basically you have to apply like a job, and once they review your application, your edits or whatsoever the links you provide them, then they will make you a partner, same as you are a partner on YouTube. Then you can enjoy the CapCut Pro features, and in the meantime you will get the boost on your videos, whatever you are posting on TikTok. In the meantime you will get rewards and even cash money as well. So you can read all this information. I'm not gonna apply now because I need a professional profile to apply, and you also try to be more professional, more concise and to the point, rather than just submitting an application without having a strong knowledge about this one. So apply this one and you will get CapCut Pro for free, completely for free, and in the meantime you may get some money as well. And remember, this is, as they told me, this is for the US netizen or the people living there in the US. But of course, you can change the VPN things and all that stuff, and you can change the location of your country in the Apple Store, as I have so many videos about changing the location and all that stuff. So I hope you will get the CapCut Pro completely for free and you will keep editing. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.